algorithm, and Booth algorithm is used for performing which operation? Can someone tell me? It is used for
Multiplication.
multiplication. And which type of multiplication? Is it signed multiplication or unsigned multiplication? It is
Unsigned multiplication.
signed multiplication. It is signed multiplication. It requires sign. It has a sign number. It works with sign numbers. So it works with positive number also. It works with negative number also. Okay. For unsigned numbers, we already have a method, and that is something which is called as a book and pen method, or you can call it a traditional approach method. Okay. So that we already have, but it does not work with signed numbers because we every time we assume that हम लोग हमेशा वहाँ पे जीरो डाल देते हैं, right? Do you guys remember that? जब भी हम shift करते हैं, we assume that is nothing but a zero, but it can be one also, it can be zero because we are dealing with signed numbers. In signed numbers, if it is one, that means it is negative. If it is zero, that means it is positive. Okay, so इसलिए हम लोग we generally try to use the MSB. जो भी MSB है, जो vacant place है, उस MSB को हम लोग replace कर देते हैं. Okay, we'll just get it clear. I just is my screen visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, so what happens is like if you want to perform 52 into 25, okay, if I want to perform this, so what I can do is 5 into 2 is nothing but it is 10. So I take a carry 1 and put 0 over here. 5 5 is 25 plus 1 is 26. After this, we automatically assume that we need to put a 0 over here. And then we perform the right shift. Okay, so हम लोग यहाँ से फिर एक shift करके उसके बाद we perform the later part of the algorithm. Just 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. 2 5 is a 10, so we put 10 over here and we didn't edit it. So this is the problem that we were doing. Okay, we automatically assume that whenever we perform the right shift, though it looks like something which is left shift, but actually we perform the right shift. So after every right shift, we assume that that vacant place should be filled with 0. It works with only signed, unsigned numbers. Okay, and जब तक number positive है, it works fine. When the number is negative, it does not work properly. Okay, so for that we have something called as Booth's algorithm. What does Booth's algorithm says? Can someone please tell me? सबसे पहले, what is the total number of steps required in order to find the answer? It is equal to. It is equal to.
5.
It is equal to number of bits which is there in where? किसमें होगा? It is equal to number of bits which we have
Multiply.
in the multiplier. Okay, so the number of steps is nothing but it is the number of bits that we have in the case of multiplier. Okay, just in case, yeah, there are few places where I do get confused. Okay, so when I'm speaking I can understand it, but it is difficult because it is like it is quite slippery. Okay, so there is a confusion when I speak. I get confused generally in terms of rows and columns. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I do get confused when I'm speaking. Sometimes I say row को column बोल देता हूँ, column को row बोल देता हूँ गलती से. I get confused when I speak about horizontal and vertical. Okay. I hope my handwriting it can be understood. Is it better? I'm just using a mouse. Okay. So yeah, I do get confused between horizontal and vertical. I do get confused between multiplier and multiplicator. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but I do get confused. Okay. So I'll just write it down clearly over here. Okay. Please note it down properly. Okay. While speaking, I might say something else, but please note it down carefully. Okay. So what if I do A B? If I do A into B, which is like 7 into 5. Okay. Yeah, 5 into 7. Whatever. If I do A into B, that A that we are using, that is nothing but it is multiplicand. Okay, so this 7 over here is called as multiplicand. Okay, लास्ट क्लास में मैंने क्या बोला है मुझे लगा मैंने शायद कंफ्यूज कर दिया आप सबको. It is called as multiplicand and it is referred as M. Okay, and this 5 is nothing but it is called as multiplier. Okay, and it is referred as Q. So please note it down somewhere. Okay, I generally get confused while speaking. I try to make it as a multiplier. I try to make it as sometimes multiplier. I say it, but I do understand it, but I say it differently. Okay, there is a moment जहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं कुछ word confusing हो जाते हैं. Okay, so while speaking I get confused when I speak row and column, when I speak horizontal and vertical, when I speak multiplicand and multiplier. Especially यहाँ पे I do get confused. Okay, and last I was teaching this subject, I did get confused and the student get confused. So is that clear? Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
when we make a table, table has first column as step. Okay. Second column is what? It is accumulator.
Accumulator.
Third column is what? It is multiplier, which is Q. Okay. Then we have something which is called as Q minus 1, which is imaginary bit. Okay. And last we have multiplier.
M.
Okay. So this is the column that we need to do. In initial phase, the first phase is nothing but the first step is nothing but the initial. We don't include as a first step. We call it as a step number 0. Accumulator we need to initialize to all zeros. Okay. Multiplier we deal with will be initializing multiplier as 7 in this case, so it will be 0, triple 1. Q minus 1 is always initialized to 0, which is imaginary bit. We have to initially start with 0. For multiplicand, we need to, again I'm getting confused, I guess.
Sir, multiplier 5 nothing, no? 0,
Yeah.
1, 0, 1.
Yes, my bad. I'm proving my point actually, I get confused. Okay. Yeah, so it is 5. So I write 0, 1, 0, 1. For multiplicand, it is 0, triple 1. Is it clear now? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what we need to do first, we check the first step. What is the first step? We check the transition. Where is the transition happening? It is happening from
0 to 1.
0 to 1.
0
Okay.
to 1.
0 to 1. So first of all, we just need to write down the binary representation of 7. So 7 can be written down as 0, triple 1. Minus 7 can be written down as 1, 0, 0, 1, right? Barabar, na?
Yes.
5 can be written down as 0, 1, 0, 1, and minus 5 can be written down as, we start from the right hand side, so 1, after that we need to flip everything, so 1, 0, 1, right? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when we perform a transition which is happening from 0 to 1, in that case what we need to do? We subtract
Subtract M.
accumulator. Okay, say we subtract m, so we perform a minus m, which is equivalent to plus of minus m, right? Which is equivalent to plus of minus m. What is plus of minus m? It is equal to whatever is written. Where is m? Which is m? M is 7, right? So yeah, we perform plus of minus 7. So it is nothing but we add what we add 1, 0, 0, 1, 2. We add, sorry, I'll write it over here. It is really difficult to control with mouse. Anita ma'am, मेरा pad लेके चले गए आज. Yeah, so we have, we need to add minus m to it. So what is minus m? Minus m is nothing but minus 7. So we just write down 1, 0, 0, 1 to the accumulator. What we get as a final answer? 0 plus 1 is 1, 0, 0, 1. We'll get exactly the same thing, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Then we have 0, 1, 0, 1, which will be written over here. We perform, after every operation, we perform right shift. Perform the right shift. This 1 will come over here. This 0 will come over here. This 0 will come over here. This 1 will go over here. This 0 will come over here. This 1 will come over here. This 0 will come over here. This 1 will go over here. Right? There is a vacant place which is left. Over this vacant place, we need to
Copy the MS.
copy the MSB. So whatever is the MSB, just copy it down. So it is 1. So I'll just write down 1 over here. This is the finishing of the first step. This step number 1. How many steps you need to take? It is equal to the number of steps that we have, the number of bits that we have in case of multiply. Is that clear? Can you do this and tell me the answer? Okay, what is the final answer? What is the final answer? It is 35. Without solving, you already know the answer. You just need to get, if it is coming as 35, you don't require my assurance, you already know the answer. Okay? So get it as a 35 as the answer. Step 2, the transition is from 1 to 0, so we need to perform addition. So we write a plus m. Transition is happening from 1 to 0. So we do a plus m. So in this number we add 7. So we add 0, triple 1. So which is equal to 1, 1, 0, carry 1, and 0, the carry is left. Okay, it does not come down. Okay, so 0, double 0, double 1. We get 1, 0, 1, 0. We perform the right shift operation. The right shift may we get 0, 1, 1, sorry, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Step number 2. Okay, we get the MSB again, which is 0. So what we get as the final answer is 0, 0, 0, 1 in the accumulator. In Q we get 1101, 1101. In imaginary bit we get 0, and last we have something and typically left it. Okay, so this was step 2. Now we will be performing step number 3. The transition is happening from 0 to 1. Thus we will be performing a minus m, which is equal to plus of minus m. So we add minus m to it. What is minus m? We have 1001. 1001. Anybody got the answer? Anybody got the answer for this?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct? Have you got 35 as the answer?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You perform the right shift. Those who haven't got the answer, they can do it with me, or yeah, you can do it on your own self. It is not that of a difficult. Even if you teach it to the school student, they will be doing it. Okay, nothing of that big. So this one will come over 1010 double 101. This will go into the imaginary part. Okay, one is left over here. We just keep the MSB as well. Now the transition is happening from 1 to 0, so we perform 1 to 0. So we perform a plus n. So we add 7 to 8. So 0 triple 1. On adding 7, we get 0 carry 1, 0 carry 1, 1, 0 carry 1. Then after this, we get 0, 1, 1, 0. Perform a right shift. This is step number 4, which is the last step. After performing the right shift, we get 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. We get an MSB and we put 0 over here. So this is a final answer. Why the final answer is 8-bit? If we perform a multiplication of two 4-bit number, दो 4-bit का number अगर मैं multiply करूँगा, what is the final answer? Can someone tell me? Am I audible? I'm audible. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
बहुत जल्दी बोल रहा हूँ. So yeah, so if I perform 2-bit के या 4-bit के number को अगर मैं multiply करूँगा, यानी A is a 4-bit, B is a 4-bit. What is the size of the final answer? It has to be 8-bit.
45.
It cannot be more than 8-bit. It cannot be more than 8-bit. Okay. For example, अगर let's say 2 digit का multiplication है. Okay. So like if you perform 9 into 9, okay, what will get as answer? 81. Okay. It is a 2-digit number. If you perform 99 into 99, okay, it will be max of 4 digit. It can be a 4 digit. उससे बड़ा नहीं हो सकता. Similarly, if I've got 4-bit का number, which is 2 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 4 को अगर मैं multiply करूँगा, I'll have to get 2 raised to 8. यानी 8-bit का ही number मुझे मिलेगा, उससे बड़ा नहीं हो सकता. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is why we need to consider 8-bit as the output. Okay, we need to consider this as 8-bit. Okay, so yeah, find it. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 8, this is 16, this is 32. So what we get? 32 plus 2 plus 1. What is it? 32 plus 2 plus 1. It is 35, which were the answer that we were supposed to get. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is a little bit tricky part. Okay, एक last numerical करेंगे and we'll finish up with the Booth's algorithm. Okay, so the last question, I think it is the fourth one, right? Fourth one. Okay, the question is perform 9 into 3. Get it done. What is the answer?
27.
What is it?
Okay.
I'm pretty much sure many will do mistake in this. I'm pretty much sure. Okay, just tell me what to do in 3. What is 3 in binary?
0, 0, 1, 1.
0, 0, 1, 1. Very good. What is minus 3?
1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1, 1.
0, 1, 1. Okay, very good. What is 9?
1, 0, 0, 1.
1, 0, 0, 1. What is minus 9?
0, 1, 1.
0, 9. This is 1.
1, 1,
1,
0.
1, 0. Barabar?
हाँ.
This is completely wrong. This is a mistake that you people do. And not only you, I go to any other college. Last year I have gone for the external to the St. Francis. People over there also did silly mistake. And like one of the student actually got TT because of this. Okay. He only studied 2 or 3 modules and he was about to clear the subject and he would have cleared the subject. But a small mistake here. Okay. There is little small mistake that you have. And what is the mistake that you have? Can anybody justify? Can anybody find out the mistake that you have done? आप आगे के पार्ट में कुछ नहीं करोगे इनिशियल पार्ट में यहीं पे आपकी गलती है. What is the mistake that you have done?
नेगेटिव का MSB 1 रहता है.
Exactly.
Starting one होना चाहिए.
So जो 9 है आपका, that 9 you have written 100. That is not 9. It is nothing but what? Can someone tell me what is this number? It is sure that it is a negative number, right? If it is a negative number, that means it has stored in its 2's complement form. So get its 2's complement. So 1, 1, 1, 0. What is this number?
Minus.
This number is 7. And since the number was negative, it is minus 7. So this is not 9 you're getting. This is what? It is minus 7. So what you're doing is something 3 into minus 7. What is the answer that you'll get for this? You'll get minus 21. What you're supposed to get? 27. You're getting answer as minus 21. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? So you'll be doing mistake over here. So what you'll be doing, what you need to do, remember carefully, whenever there is जब भी आप एक पॉजिटिव नंबर को अगर आप बाइनरी में रिप्रेजेंट करा रहे हो और उसका MSB is getting 1, उसको पॉजिटिव बनाने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? एक एक्स्ट्रा 0 लगाना पड़ेगा. Now this number is positive. Now this number is equal to 9. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
So this is now 9. Get its minus 9. Now get its minus 9. So क्या हो जाएगा? 1. This is 1. This is 1. This is 0. And over here we'll get what?
1.
1. So this is minus 9. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Another. Though it is not a rule. Okay. If you are smart enough, you can easily do Booth's algorithm from here. But there is a chance of getting confused. Okay. क्योंकि एक जो multiplicand है आपका, this is multiplicand. The multiplicand that you have has 5 bits, and the multiplier that you have has 4 bits. Right. So you will be doing perfectly fine, no issues. Okay. You will work perfectly fine. So multiplier में आपके 4 bit है और जो आपका multiplicand है उसमें 5 bit है. कोई issue नहीं है. But और इधर उधर कहीं ना कहीं गलती होगी. For sure there will be a mistake. So what you need to do is you need to add extra bit over here. So 3 can be written down as 0011 भी लिख सकते हो और एक और 0 भी लगा दोगे तो भी वो 3 ही रहेगा. Is that clear? Is that clear? Similarly -3 अगर आपको लिखना है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? एक एक्स्ट्रा 1 यहाँ पे आपको डालना पड़ेगा. So this is not equal. This is also equal to -3. So this is 3. This is -3. both are of 5 bit. This is also 5 bit, this is also 5 bit. Now we are equally even. अब हम even हो चुके हैं. Okay, both multiplier is also 5 bit, multiplicand is also 5 bit. Now there is no scope of getting confused. Is that clear? So how many steps are required in order to get the final answer? कितने steps लगेंगे? 5. Do it for 5 steps and get the final answer. Okay, guys, just don't do 983, 2 minus 983. मैंने Q और M का यहाँ पे वापस मिस्टेक किया ना शायद. Can anybody correct me? Did I did mistake over here? Again, this is M, this is Q, right?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा.
किसी ने बोला नहीं मुझे. Do you want me to solve or you guys will be solving on your own?
सर -93 है क्या 93 है क्वेश्चन?
Minus 983. I said change the question. Do minus 983. Though it will not have that much of impact, it will फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. But yeah, do it for sign numbers. Practice for sign numbers. So what is the step that I have? सबसे पहले मुझे step लिखना पड़ेगा. Then after that we need to have an accumulator. Accumulator कितने bit का होगा? Can someone tell me?
5.
5 bit. Okay. Then we have Q. Q is nothing but your multiplier. Q is multiplication. Q is multiplication. No, multiplier. No, sorry. Multiplier. We have Q. Then we have Q minus 1. We have multiplicand. And that is M. Okay. Now tell me the initial values of all these registers. The accumulator will be initialized to how many zeros?
5.
5 zeros. So we have 0, 0. Always remember to write the bit one below other. एक के नीचे एक bit आना चाहिए. Okay. ऐसा नहीं कि 0 यहाँ पे लिख दिया फिर अगला वाला 1 यहाँ पे कहीं साइड में कर दिया. Make it as a proper. Okay. एक के नीचे एक. Okay, then we have multiplier. Multiplier is nothing but it is 3. So 3 can be written down as 000 double 1. Imaginary bit will be 0. Multiplicand we have minus 9. Minus 9 is 1 0 triple 1. So just write down. Don't get confused. This M you're considering as minus 9. So first step, the transition is happening from 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 में आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? What you need to do? Step number 1, the transition is happening from 0 to 1. So you'll be performing A minus M. Okay. So which is A minus of minus 9, which is equal to A minus or A plus 9. So add 9 to it. Is that here? So what we do is A minus M. A minus M का मतलब क्या हो रहा है? A of minus 9, which can be written down as A plus 9. So just add 9 to it. Just add accumulator में 9 to it. Okay. You don't want to perform subtraction. Subtraction नहीं करना आपको. क्यों? Because there is no circuit called as subtractor. आपको subtraction करना है, लेकिन using addition. So either you can do it by adding the original number, or you can add by taking its 2's complement. So 2's complement लोगे तो basically आप subtraction करोगे. Is that clear? So if I add a 9 to this, I'll add 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. What will get as answer? I'll get the same one, which is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. You copy the next multiplier bit as it is, so it's 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. After this, perform. After every step, perform right
Right
shift.
shift.
So perform the right shift. You get 0, 1, 0, 0. This one will come over here. Then 0, 0, 1, 1. So this one will go over here. Okay. Step 1 is finished. Now the transition is happening between
1 to 1.
1 to 1. So since there is a transition between 1 to 1, there
No
is
operate.
no operation. You don't perform any operation. But after every step, you perform
Right shift.
right shift. Okay, and yeah, the MSB is retained, so we retain 0 over here. Perform the right shift, so we get 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. This 0 will come over here. Then we have 1, 0, 0. This 1 will come over here. Okay, we get the vacant place and we retain the MSB. This is step number. Okay, step number 3. The transition is happening from 1 to 0.
0.
Step number 3, the transition is happening from 1 to 0. Thus, we'll be performing A
Add.
plus M. A plus M. Okay, we add the multiplicate. Okay, what is M? M is nothing but it is -9. So
Minus.
what we add? Plus of 1 0 1 1 1. 1 0 1 1. We add 1 0 1 1 to this particular number. What we get? 1. We get 0. Carry 1. 0. Carry 1. 1 will come down. 1 will be over. Then we get 0, 1, 0, 0. Right? Right? Everybody got this here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now perform the right shift. You'll get the final answer, which is 1, 1, 0, 0. This one will come over here. Then 0, 1, 0, 0. This 0 will come over here. We get the vacant place. We retain the MSP. So this is the step number 3. Step number 4. The transition is happening from 0 to 0. Since the transition is happening from 0 to 0,
No.
No
no
operation.
operation. You just need to perform right shift. So perform the right shift. So 1 1 0 0 will come over here. Then we get 1 0 1 0 0. Okay. We got a vacant place. We put 1 over here. We retain the NSP. This is step number 4. Okay. Step number 5. Step number 5. The transition is happening from
0 to 0.
0 to 0. Again, no operation, and we just perform right shift.
Right shift.
Perform the right shift, so we get 1 1 1 0 1 4 ones. This 0 will come over here. Then we have 0 1 0 1. This 0 will come over here. We got a vacant 1 bit, so we retain the MSP. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, everybody got this as a final answer?
Yes,
We'll
sir.
check.
Yeah.
We'll check what is this number. Okay, so this 10 bit is your final answer. Okay, so check the number. The number is for sure that it is negative number. That means its 2's complement is its actual value. So get its 2's complement. So we'll get 1 over here. We'll get 1 over here. We'll get 0 over here. We'll get 1 1, and after that 0 0 0 0 0. So what is this number? This is 1. This is 2. This is 4. This is 8. This is 16. So 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. What is the answer? 16. Add to this or solar 26 and 27. We get 27. And the number was negative, so it is minus 27. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
How many marks you scored? You just need to draw this. How many marks you scored? 10 marks. Is that simple to get 10 marks?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but don't do this mistake, which is 9 को अगर आपने 1 0 0 1 कर देते तो the whole thing you will be just getting 1 marks for just attempting it. So straight 9 marks you would have mark, yes, I've scored 10 marks in this problem, but you won't get 10 marks. Is that clear? So एक छोटा सा mistake आपका पूरा 9 marks डूबा देगा. Okay, so kindly सी टू इट कि आप यहाँ पे गलती ना करो, यहाँ तक अगर आप निकल गए सही सलामत, आगे फिर उतना कुछ इशू नहीं है. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Finally, we just need to draw a flow chart. Okay. Sometimes in theory they ask you to draw the flow chart. So kindly draw the flow chart of this. So yeah. So what will be the flow chart look like? So सबसे पहले we'll start the process. I don't think so मेरे पास कुछ जगह है. So please write down in your book. We write down. We start the flow chart from start. After start, we then check or we initialize. What do we initialize? A is made as 0, accumulator is made as 0. उसके अलावा imaginary bit is made as
0.
it is also made as 0. We assign m को हम क्या assign करेंगे? Multiplicator और multiplier. Multiplicator और multiplier. It is multiplicand ये ना?
हाँ,
Yeah.
Yes.
Q को we assign multiplier.
multiplier.
Q को we assign multiplier. Okay. And yeah, we assign also a count. Okay, number of steps, which is equal to number of bits we have in multiplier.
Multiplier.
So let's take that n is nothing but it is number of n is nothing but it is number of bit we have in case of multiplier. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So we have these many initial things that we have done. Okay, is that clear? दिख रहा है सबको बराबर? Is my handwriting okay-ish?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes, sir.
confusion? Any confusion? So what is n? N is nothing but it is a variable which is equal to number of bit that we have in case of multiplier. So let's say अगर यहाँ पे multiplier is 3, okay? So it is 0, 0, 1, 1. So n will be equal to 4. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is nothing but the initial part. After the initial part, we need to go to a decision part. Okay, decision box बनाना पड़ेगा, and we need to check the conditions. Okay, what is the condition? If the transition between qn and qn minus 1, okay, so q minus 1 यानी imaginary bit से लेके last bit के बीच में transition क्या है? So how many transition do we have? We have three transitions, three types of transition. Either the transition is from 1 to 0, 1 to 0, or the transition is from
0 to
0 to 1, 0 to 1, or the transition is from 1 to 1 or 0 to 0. Is that clear? Look at the transition from here to here, okay? Right to left. So the transition is from 1 to 0. This transition is from 0 to 1. This transition is from 1 to 1. This transition is from 0 to 0. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So if the transition is from 1 to 0, what we are going to do? A will be equal to what? A will be equal to what? A will be equal to what? A plus or minus m?
A minus n.
The transition is from 1 to 0. 1 to 0.
So A minus n.
A plus n. How about A minus n?
A plus n.
बराबर ना? Just go to the algorithm. Check the algorithm. If the transition from the imaginary bit to the next consecutive bit is from 1 to 0, in that case we perform A plus n. वही ना? यही कर रहे हैं ना हम लोग यहाँ पे. If you look closely, I think this is the point. 1 to 0. We do what? A plus n. Right? If the transition is from 1 to 0. This is 1 and we are transiting to 0. So in that case, what we do? Accumulator will be getting A plus n. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
हाँ sir.
If the transition is from 0 to 1, what we are going to do? A will be equal to A minus n. A will be equal to A minus n. Okay, is this clear? यहाँ तक clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this we don't do anything. Okay, but remember after every step we perform something which is common. And what is it?
Right shift.
Right shift. So we'll just write over here. We perform arithmetic right shift on what? On A, comma Q and Q minus 1. To perform the right shift on these many registers. Is that clear? And what about count? What about count? Count will be count minus 1. It was initially assigned to n. Okay, एक step के बाद क्या हो जाएगा? n minus 1 हो जाएगा. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Till what many times do you need to perform this step? ये step कब तक करना है आपको? कौन सा step? कौन सा step? You need to
For
repeat this step again and again. कब तक करना है ये? जब तक count जो है वो क्या ना हो जाए?
And
0 ना हो जाए. If count is equal to 0, if count is equal to 0, sorry, my bad. ये जो है if count is equal to 0, in that case it will just stop. If it is not equal to 0, in that case it will repeat the whole process again. I hope it is clear. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Yeah, so please draw this diagram. In exam, if they ask you explain the working of Boole's algorithm, draw this diagram. Explain its working. Take an example and explain it. Is that clear?
Yes.
yes,
Have you drawn? Do you want time? Or should we go to the next topic? हो गया?
yes, sir.
Can I go ahead? Anybody? 2 मिनट चाहिए. हाँ ना कुछ तो बोलो.
सर
Yes.
सर वो लास्ट स्टेप में वो माइनस वाला नहीं बताना है क्या? माइनस नंबर रहा तो
लास्ट स्टेप में नहीं, वो जरूरत नहीं है. वो तो अज्यूम्ड है ना, वो तो सबको पता है. अगर मेरे को बेसिकली 1 0 1 0 1 1 अगर ये नंबर मिला, यहीं पे मुझे पता चल गया. मेरे को बेसिकली बाइनरी नंबर ही चाहिए. वो तो मैं अपने इंटरप्रिटेशन के लिए मुझे फाइंड क्या करना है, मुझे चेक करना है नंबर का मतलब क्या है. सो फॉर दैट I need to identify, yes, the number MSB is 1, that means the number is negative. इसका मतलब ये इसके 2's complement में store है. ये तो मैं अपने assumption, as a human I'm looking, I need to find out. But as a processor, this is the only step that the processor will follow, nothing else.
ओके सर.
Okay, it is what we are doing in the last is nothing but we are just reaffirming is that the actually answer that we were supposed to get, but it is our own choice to do that. The computer never do that. Computer के अंदर by default negative number is stored in the form of 2's complement. Okay?
ओके सर.
आगे
Done,
चले?
sir.
Okay, we'll go to the next topic. The next topic is something called as division. Okay, this is the last topic in arithmetic. After that, we have another topic which is called as IEEE 754. Okay, which is again a very important topic. It is nothing but it is a representation where the different, you can say the different computers decided how to store the floating point numbers. Okay, so floating point numbers को store करने के लिए there is a format which was given by the IEEE, which was agreed upon by different organizations and different manufacturers, and they decided on a common platform we will be using this particular format. Okay, so that we'll be discussing. That is something the last topic. Before that topic, in arithmetic section, we are remaining with only one topic, which is something called division. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So division is nothing but you can say multiplication is nothing but it is a successive addition. Division is, we can say that it is successive subtraction, right? Right. So if I say I need to divide eight apples, I need to divide into 2 people. So what I can do is, first I'll give 2 apples. I'll subtract 8 from 2. I'll subtract 2 from it. Sorry, my mistake. I'll subtract 2 from it. I'll get 6. Now again, I'll distribute 2 to one to one person and another apple to another person. Then again, 2 from that 6, so I'll be getting 4. I'll be doing this again and again until and unless I'm not left with anything, or I'm left with something which cannot be divided, and that is something called as That is something called as, which cannot be further divided. It can be called as remainder. It is called as remainder. And something which is divided, equally divided between the different people that we have, that is something called as quotient. Right? You guys remember?
Yes, sir.
So we have, let's say if we have 64, if you want to divide it by 4, what we need to do? क्या करते हैं हम लोग? 4 ones are 4. We get 4 here. Divide, we subtract, we get 2 here. Right? Right?
Yes.
Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We get this 4 down. What we get? 24. 4 6 are 24. So we divide by 24. We subtract 24 from this. And this we got something is nothing but it is called as a remainder. This is nothing but it is called as quotient. What is this called? This is very important.
Divisor.
Divisor. And this is something called as
Dividend.
dividend. Okay, this is something called as dividend. Okay, so division में the dividend and the divisor is very important. So if we divide 64 by 4 or 4 divided by 64, you'll get completely different answer. But in case of multiplication, if you perform 64 into 4 and 4 into 64, you'll get exactly the same thing. Okay, so even though if you change multiplicand with multiplier, no issues, it will not have any impact on the answer. But in case of division, it is very important. Okay, so don't mess with it. Okay, don't get confused with it. Fine, is that clear? So in division, we have got two methods. One is something called as a restoring method. Okay, there are two ways of dividing a number. One is something called as a restoring method or a restoring algorithm, and other is called as a non-restoring method. Okay, the restoring method is kind of slower. It is kind of faster. This work with only signed numbers. Yeah, signed and unsigned. It only works with unsigned numbers. It only works with unsigned numbers. Okay, is this clear? Is this clear? So it has a disadvantage, but it also has an advantage that it works with signed numbers. So generally we try to use restoring, but अगर आपको just in case अगर faster division करना है और आपके सारे के सारे नंबर अगर आपके unsigned है, then in that case you go with non-restoring because it is very much faster than restoring. Is that clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we'll be learning two algorithms. So first we'll be starting with something called as a restoring algorithm. So just write down the topic called as restoring. Restoring algorithm. For division. In bracket you can just write down signed numbers. So it works with both signed and unsigned. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
I just write down the algorithm. After algorithm, we'll start solving the example for this. Okay. So yeah. So what is the algorithm? Step number 1. The number of step. The number of step is equal to number of bits is equal to number of bits and dividend is equal to number of bits and dividend. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Step number 2. At each step, perform left shift. Okay. Perform left shift. The dividend by 1 position by one position. It will get more clear when we solve the example. Okay? But just write down the steps and we'll understand what is the meaning of this algorithm with the help of example. So हर एक step पे आपको क्या करना है? You need to perform left shift. In the case of multiplication, we will perform the right shift. In this case, we'll be performing left shift by one position. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Step number 3. Subtract the divisor. Subtract the divisor from accumulator. Okay. So basically, what you perform a minus n. हर एक स्टेप में आपको a minus n करना है. Okay. Why? If you guys remember, अगर 4 को 64 से अगर मुझे divide करना है, what we do is we perform division of this. We perform the subtraction of the divisor. Okay. So 6 minus 4, we get 2. Is this clear? Is this clear? So this is what we do. So subtract the divisor from the accumulator. Okay. Step number 4. If the result is non-negative, any positive, if the result is positive or it is non-negative, okay. If the result is positive or non-negative, you can write any word, okay. Then the step is said to be successful. Then step is successful. मेरे को बहुत टाइम लग रहा है लिखने के लिए. Is my handwriting okayish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you should comment me. I'm writing from my mouse, just I'm using my mouse. Okay. So if the result is non-negative, then we say that this step is successful. So tell me, we get the answer over here 2. Is it negative or non-negative?
Non-negative.
So we can say that this step is successful. Okay. Thus, quotient will be made as 1. Quotient क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? 1 आ जाएगा. Is that clear? So यहाँ पे आपको क्या लिखना है? If the step is successful,
Sir.
if this step is successful, then quotient bit is made 1. Is made as 1. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And restoration is not required. This step is very important, and it basically divides the restoration algorithm and non-restoration. So अगर successful है तो restoration की जरूरत नहीं है. What is the meaning? I'll let you know. जब step ना इसके बाद वाला step अगर आप लिखेंगे तब आपको समझ में आएगा. Okay. Step number 5 is just opposite of step number 4. If the result is negative, tell me what will happen.
Step is not successful.
Then step is unsuccessful. अरे यार, shit. Unsuccessful. Okay, this step is unsuccessful. Thus, example, I'll just take an example. We'll divide by 8. Divide 64 by 8. What will happen? Instead of subtracting 6, what will get? 6 में से 4 को subtract कीजिएगा. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 6 में से 8 को subtract करेंगे. What will get? Negative or positive?
Minus.
It is -2. You'll get -2. So since the result is negative, we can say that this step is unsuccessful. If it is unsuccessful, then quotient bit क्या हो जाएगा? 0. Very good. Then quotient bit is made 0, and restoration is required. What is the meaning of the restoration? This will be now explained. Okay, restoration is required. Okay, so what is the meaning of restoration? If it is unsuccessful, we need to get back this 6 again. हमें ये 6 वापस लेना पड़ेगा. आप directly 4 लेकर के 24 -24 को आप डिवाइड, what you need to get this 6 back. How to get this 6 back? Restoration कैसे होगा? -2 से 6 वापस कैसे मिलेगा? Can you tell me?
ऐड करके
क्या ऐड करोगे? -2 में क्या ऐड करोगे कि आपको 6 मिल जाएगा?
-4
-2 में -4 करोगे, 1 मिल जाएगा. आपको क्या ऐड करना पड़ेगा? You need to add 8, this 8 again. So if you,
सब्सट्रैक्ट करके,
sorry,
सर मतलब वो 8 में से 2 माइनस करके फिर वापस से 6 मिलेगा ऐसा.
हाँ, समझ में है ना?
सर
हाँ, yes.
इसमें डायरेक्ट 64 को डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते 8 से.
नहीं, बाइनरी में ये आप किताब, आप इंसान हो, आप इंसान को पता है कि कौन सा नंबर क्या जाएगा. कंप्यूटर एक एक बिट करेगा, राइट?
यस सर.
Computer will do it one bit by bit. Okay, so what it will do, I'll just write it down here. So 64 को अगर हम 8 से डिवाइड करने की कोशिश करेंगे, तो ये क्या करेगा? पहला एक बिट, पहले डिजिट को डिवाइड करने की कोशिश करेगा. So it will divide by subtracting 8 from this. We'll get answer as -2, which is unsuccessful. कंप्यूटर को ये नंबर वापस चाहिए. इंसान है, इंसान क्या करेगा? इसको फौरन यहाँ पे मिटा के 6 लिख देगा. इंसान कर सकता है वो. Computer cannot do that. Computer need to restore this number again. So in order to restore, what it will do, it will add this. What is this? Divisor or dividend? What is this?
डिवाइडर.
Divisor. It will add the divisor again into the accumulator. So accumulator में फिर से क्या करेगा? Divisor add कर देगा. What will get as answer now? We'll get 6 now. Now it will get this 4. यानी left shift करके it को 4 मिल जाएगा. Now it will divide the 64 by 8. Is that clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
this getting back the original number is something called as restoration. Is this clear? So when is restoration required? Successful division हो गया, unsuccessful होगा. Unsuccessful. Successful में जरूरत नहीं है, वो डिवाइड हो चुका है, आपको restore करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Unsuccessful जब भी होगा आपको restoration करना ही पड़ेगा. Is that clear?
Yes sir.
That is why the algorithm is called as a restoration algorithm, because it performs the restoration. Is that clear?
Yes sir.
Okay. Yeah. So, yeah. Finally, step number 6. Repeat the steps again. We repeat the steps again. The result is stored in 2 places. दो जगह पे रिजल्ट होगा. डिवीजन का 2 रिजल्ट आता है, राइट? वन इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज रिमाइंडर एंड अदर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज कोशेंट, राइट? सो जो रिमाइंडर है इट विल बी स्टोर्ड इन एक्यूमुलेटर एंड द कोशेंट विल बी स्टोर्ड इन समथिंग कॉल्ड एज अ क्यू रजिस्टर. इज दिस क्लियर?
Yes sir.
Okay, so write it down, finish it up. We can take an example and we'll understand it. Again, it is very fun to do. Okay, not that difficult, and yeah, it is like all the 4 topic में से I cannot pick one, but for sure दो guaranteed आने ही वाला है आपके पेपर में. Guaranteed, it will come for sure. So either division आ सकता है जिसमें से restoration लिख के आएगा, perform the restoration division, या तो लिख के आएगा perform non restoration on the following numbers. Okay, या तो they will ask you to perform the multiplication using Booth's algorithm, or they will ask you to represent a floating number in the IEEE 754 format. तो ये 4 टॉपिक है और चारों टॉपिक में से guaranteed 2 तो आएगा for sure, हो सकता है 3 भी आ जाए. Okay, so it is a place where you can guarantee you can get the marks. Okay, यहाँ से आपके मार्क्स जाने नहीं चाहिए. Okay. हो गया नोट करके?
Yes sir.
I hope my handwriting is visible. It is.
Sir.
Yes.
तो लास्ट लाइन में क्या लिखा है अभी?
Step number 6. Repeat the step again, comma. The result is stored into. Yeah, you can just repeat the step again. Full stop. और ये कब तक रिपीट कर रहा है? तब जितना बिट्स आपके डिविडेंड में उतनी बार आपको रिपीट करना है. Is that clear? Full stop. The result is stored in 2 parts. Okay, 2 places. Sorry, my bad. The result is stored in 2 places. One, The remainder is stored in accumulator. 2, the quotient is stored in Q register. Is that clear?
ओके सर।
हो गया सबका नोट करके?
यस सर।
कितना टाइम बचा है? हो गया ना टाइम हमारा?
Yes,
यस
sir.
सर।
हाँ सर 5 मिनट।
Okay. So yeah, you just note it down. Join the microprocessor lab, and we'll be continuing the same topic in the microprocessor lab. Okay, and also the regular student, the direct student have exam right today.
यस सर।
Are you guys interested in having the extra lecture at 4:30 to 5:30? If it is your choice, if you want. Because
डीएससी का लेक्चर है सर।
किसका है?
डीएससी का।
मैम ने इन्फॉर्म किया है.
Yes, sir.
बोली थी कल।
ओके 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 ओके, फाइन, नो इश्यूज. ठीक है, अगर जिसका हो गया है दे कैन लीव द क्लास. किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो एमपीएल में पूछो. ओके, जॉइन इन द एमपीएल. जिनका नहीं हुआ है दे कैन स्टे इन दिस मीट. जस्ट नोट इट डाउन एंड देन यू कैन लीव.
सर अभी ज्वाइन करना है 1 बजे.
अभी
1 बजे।
अभी ज्वाइन कर लो ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? मैं जल्दी छोड़ दूंगा.
ओके सर।
ओके सर.
1 बजे ज्वाइन करना है क्या? ब्रेक चाहिए? चलेगा 1 बजे आ.
चले तो जल्दी छोड़ देना।
सर हाँ जल्दी छोड़ेंगे तो अब भी ज्वाइन करेंगे.
एग्जाम रहेगा ना फिर।
ओके ओके.